Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the music on your Instagram story. Now, the Instagram music feature has been really buggy since it came out. It has all kinds of issues, and a lot of times it's broken or there are songs that are missing. I'm going to walk you through some steps to get it fixed so that you can add music to your Instagram story and not have any issues. Now, let's open up Instagram here and just swipe over to the right. I'm just going to take a quick photo here and tap on the sticker at the very top right here. And you can see music pops up for me. If it doesn't pop up, you can always just search here. I'm going to search for music and tap on that. Now, if you try to load any of these and they don't work, maybe some of the songs are missing, I can walk you through some steps to help get that fixed. So the first thing I'll walk you through is, let's open up these settings here and we'll go to General, and then midway down is iPhone storage. Let's tap on that. Now, once we're here, we can again find Instagram. There it is. I'll tap on Instagram, and then I'm going to offload this app and reinstall the app. What this does is it removes and force updates the core Instagram files without fully deleting out your profile, your DMs, any of that stuff. It keeps all of those in there so that you can use all of those. And this should help to fix your music on your Instagram story. The last thing that you can do if that doesn't fix it, keep in mind that not all of the music or songs are available in all regions. So depending on where you are in the United States, in Europe, Asia, Africa, India, it doesn't matter. There are specific songs that are available in only certain regions. So you can always use an app called Inshot, and that's one that I really enjoy. And it's free to use. You can just tap on video here and then tap on new. And from here, all you do is you can just add a video, and you can see at the bottom left there is the ability to add music to this video. And you can basically do it within the Inshot app and then just upload it into your Instagram story, and that should work. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.